Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the results section. The results section helps you highlight your product's impact and key benefits, showing how it has solved customer problems or improved their experience. It builds trust by providing clear proof of effectiveness and helps increase conversions by emphasizing real value. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the results section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the results section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the results section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Result, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the results section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. You can upload a high-quality image to showcase static visuals, such as product outcomes, customer success, or comparison graphics. Alternatively, you can select a video to create a more dynamic and engaging experience for your visitors. Enable autoplay to make the video play automatically, or disable it to stop autoplay. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Choose Inherit to follow your theme's default spacing, or select Custom to manually adjust it. With custom spacing, you can fine-tune the layout for both desktop and mobile devices. On desktop, adjust horizontal spacing from 1 pixels to 100 pixels to control the space between elements placed side by side. Adjust vertical spacing from 1 pixels to 100 pixels to manage the space between stacked elements. On mobile, adjust horizontal spacing from 1 pixels to 50 pixels to control spacing between elements. Adjust vertical spacing from 1 pixels to 50 pixels to manage spacing between stacked content. Choose your result type to control how your data is visually presented. Donut chart. Ideal for showing percentages or proportions in a clean, modern, circular format. Great for highlighting a single key metric or overall performance. Pin chart. Perfect for emphasizing specific data points or milestones. This style helps draw attention to individual results in a more focused way. Bar chart. Best for comparing multiple values side by side. It clearly displays differences between results, making it easy for customers to understand comparisons at a glance. For desktop layouts, you can also control the placement of your results. Results left. Displays results on the left side with content on the right. Results right. Displays results on the right side with content on the left. Results bottom. Places results below the main content for a more stacked layout. To further refine your layout, you can adjust the row vertical gap to control the spacing between result rows. On desktop, this can be set between 10 pixels and 100 pixels, while on mobile it ranges from 10 pixels and 50 pixels for a more compact display. You can also define how many columns appear per row, choosing between 1 and 4 columns. This allows you to control how dense or spacious your results appear, depending on your design preference and content needs. Start by entering your result heading text, which acts as the main highlight of your section. Use this to clearly communicate your key outcome or benefit. Next, choose a heading color that complements your store's design and ensures strong visibility against the background. You can also adjust the heading size with options ranging from small, medium, and large to extra large and extra extra large, allowing you to control the level of emphasis the heading has within your layout. Add a result description text to provide more context, explain the outcome in detail, or reinforce the value shown in your results. To control the overall presentation, you can set the content alignment to either left or center, depending on your preferred layout style and readability. Finally, you can include a caption text, which works well for adding supporting notes, disclaimers, or additional context beneath your main content. First, enter your button label and title to define the text that will appear on the button. Next, choose the button link to set the destination where users will be redirected when they click it. Then enter your icon name and to display an icon alongside the button text. You can also upload a custom icon if you prefer a more branded or unique visual style. After that, choose your button style. You can select from link, default, solid, or outline, depending on how strong or subtle you want the button to appear. Finally, select the button size. You can choose inherit, small, medium, or large to control the button's prominence within the layout. The Add to Cart button also supports all of these same customization options, including label, link, icon, style, and size, ensuring a consistent experience across your section. Match the results section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from inherit, none, small, medium, large, or custom. If you select custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as advanced double button, caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. Start by adding a result row block to build and structure your content within the results section. This block serves as the foundation of each result item, allowing you to visually represent performance, progress, or impact in a clear and engaging way. You can control the percentage value from 1% to 100% to represent the result or performance you want to display. You can also enter result text to briefly explain what the percentage refers to, helping users clearly understand the meaning behind the data. You have the option to show or hide the icon depending on your design preference. Enabling it will display an icon alongside the result, while disabling it will keep the layout clean without any icon. If you choose to display an icon, you can enter an icon name to use a built-in icon and have it appear instantly in the section. Alternatively, you can upload a custom icon to better match your brand style and maintain a consistent visual identity across your storefront. And that's it. Your results section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.